Yeah. You share check akra. Na ya samba bi. Okay. Ya samba bi na video we say na ye no. Fiti ase no me gidi say obi a ho ye. Okay. Wa reshe mu so obi a ho ye. Yeah. So far as we share video in kwa de che say ya me adom. Ho ye. You are in a good state, good frame of mind and everything. Like the me say on that. Okay. So video we na ye no. Me specifically for obia or interest, okay, or penny say obey trust software, you know, obi or trust software tom, and I say we is 2 years school ni na say oh yeah program yeah a friend of computer science and software engineering who major in software engineering now. This video is for you, okay. In PMP, you know, say yenya problem yeah, okay. Say obi catch say yenye software be mano. Obi catch yenye software be mano. And I say company be my ne RFP or my documents are what defining the problem. What the requirements are here say the problem ni way no pay. Say no pay say yenye our system ni mano no. And PMP as a developers not as engineers no. Yentu ya boy say and go through the necessary process now. Say go through never buying a software na ever try and be very useful. And we say say na quickly. Yeah, draw 1, 2, 3, write down B. Then we go and start. Obi your honor ma or beka say ABR. What system they match it. Or won't be 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. And only a woman doesn't change anything. So far as the problem na the amount no from different area and no, you still have to go through the process. Wajuma no, how long you've been in the system no, cha wache was system no, only helps you in your delivery. A boa ma ultimi we adwuma ntem. If we say bia na why say adwuma be paying and now why similar work be a test happen until several models be ho no ma ofa oh yeah of nya na kwotro no foforo. You just go and pick it find the component reuse. What components you order the maintenance or can boom now why. But the underlying logic in a system name you have to make sure you go through the same process over and over and over and over again. The BR becomes what I say. And my work system name for 10 years. So I know what I'm talking about. Okay. And I've practiced my tries steps ways over the period of time now. I'm warming so you get it. I have some systems that my deployer tool on craft for like number of years now. I've not really touched it and it's effectively working. Because I made sure say I had to make the proper, engineering process in good form, and I may develop a idea. No, though it was just in a short time, but it's me you go through the process and you use it. After now, I've made only one change in a space of 7 years. Only one enhanced. I just enhanced the themes, but not the logic. The logic is still the same. Do you get it? So if you do the right thing, it will help you. But wow. And coming from me as an experienced person in the game, in the industry, I think it's best I own the authority to, to some child say we say na say so okay. Your bomb by is a base whom be native child for no more so to me, at the bomb bra. What I say. Brian your bray, your person also become so brave. Now I don't mean whom as soon fast do you get it? Yankopon ma yansa I will say so che now be susu nya bi no so timi boa no no so bona brabo so ati ase sa na e wi ase tie e bobo ya ho wa ho se ne tie no good enti outlining steps steps mako 8 nwotwe as a computer scientist and as a software engineer no who go through in applying them with the rely on it ye wodwuma na e bebo. Do you get it? A wow to me developing quality systems. So I'm saying it, the first point in an company no bit marker or RFP request for proposals and a friend RFP no. And he say company can say be na I contract will say yeah bibisa amana Obama document paperwork say okay problem ni we here software na here no you say we womb functionality no say when defining in arm pin na no book defining everything that they want into who system be what they are and one say what I say no more when a woman so what I say any more fashion no more tender for RF now what they call now because I'm near from now presentation then if you win the bid when what now you go through what I say when tomorrow when they bid so there then you based on what your RFP no one enhance system now on and the second informal layer where we wish you say or money your software man now following all the amount of crown or no say them who need team who nine what I say no the amount say you be man there and there no wo na ga say bi onyanti problem na wache na say but because of your experience in tell say what I say don't assume all right may assume e man say what I say yes sir obey akwaba ukoba na fi ohun ade ne so no no watch say no yes say crown no pay and I say no for we count to what say baby a oye adwuma no I say okoho na okonya ntiase wo na ade na oye no say oh okay we potin no pese ohia maybe one more back actually say okay oh madam for we and recommend o mama or say why we be am say this in TV mama na we ma wadan for no nema no oye won adwuma a different from no so dia oye so you have to go to no so no honom no what I say now oko study the honom so no environment and say okay then no problem now here nkasa na see now bobo then then you now come and start. So that is the first point. The point need kind of me say define your use case. Fine. Into point 2, what use case na no? Then you need to gather the requirements, the preliminary or necessary requirements. Okay. And no. So you use RF need the ni na wom dida. Nti RF need be kan 1 2 ni na bo mama. I can 3 ni na be kan 1 2 3 ni na bo mama. But the informal side, why what problem na no? Then you now have to go there. Say me can first call fill the honum. Or call fill the honum now. Now if you walk observe it, and as with mania 1 or 2 staff be honum, and no one didn't get on nkomo. Now nkomo na odini na ma what problem na senior who be ana dia way or I didn't tell me I didn't tell me I didn't dare course one of my NTC and more system and our boss my name bisa nkomo ni na what I say. Tunya ni na and on be more at the potting our here our system, no different requirements at the potting our here our system. Which might say, near you remember near Canocrano, a different from near sister or from what. Indeed, now they can't, oh dear, no from one can run a can of one, at least the mark you run so appreciate the whole holistic problem. No, probably can see in her. What I say. Until you answer, near step 3, step 3 near say, baby, I will hear I software now corner. Why would they be system no? So I say, it is a fair bit to say, oh yeah, obi or ton idea or normal shop being or self, yes, system on a bit me that monitor, the name or ton, and name or store, and in your system, in your shelf, and so PDF for any point of sales application or sales visa manner, or third point in our case say, identify the actors, actors may be a high, actors may be a cashier, no, original, salesperson, or the salesperson or honor. The inventory person, the administrator, the manager, among you na actors. Into so whom you now be or use system nibi, or be a play role be or a drum honor, who na list na down. Na categorize your more, nina or started point, As an alcohol fourth point in say, actors now define your 1 hour home you know. Offer actor 1 inventory officer and the Jumani saying, offer cash actor 2 cashier and the Jumani saying, offer administrator and the Jumani saying. Inti wo also hu bia na adwuma oye wo hono to what I say hu bia adwuma oye wo hono wia ansa na akọ 5 no 5th point no say adwuma na obi ye wo hono sisi ya say sisi ya wo move from informal no so what I say what they ba programming environment no kakra also what I say do nya implementation but sisi ya wo say software engineering technicalities no what they ba hono. So to do for abstractions, now buy into the details, kakra. Nti when who rose in every so when who rose in every then what structure down to be alpha row 1 or say ABR or ton near salesperson or ton near my customers. Nti or ton is saying into 1 beside you say cross customer number. Okoyi ade no oyi no de ba na check your system so say bi honoma e bi ni honoma na ya catch ni pakro ya update inventory no update system no na if your ton we are name proper so steps na me kan nyina no tro nyina in pseudo code no pseudo code no me previous video symbol no ma check pseudo code na ade no and no steps so na then it's no tro 1 way 2 way 3 way is to be listening nyina down you do the same thing the same thing ama other actors no more roles nyina o gada nyina wia so ansa na waba the 6 point no 6 point ni say over transfer sa pseudo code instructions na wale was no so when step by step no over transfer ni nyina ko diagrams ne so the diagram no you will use case diagram ho e ho na go say be boundaries no identify or actors ni nyina or if actors ni nyina na if I draw lines no to one more way say rules no mo ye ho no so I say the way ka ha no pe kra na identify after now you identify rules in area then you do put on your use case diagram no connect to mo nyina we no ande ato ho and so now we transfer o mo ba we see no so flowchart diagram no say your diagram your object notation be on my they flowchart diagram so previous video be on my share how to do those things so you can go into my previous video na be copy the video and know how to say na me kan say na me share no ho no what you say no transfer ni na aba ho o transfer no so ba ho we there are other diagrams be ho no ma betimi so e dey aka ho your data flow diagram ho your context diagram ho your entity relation diagram e ho no what you say to where ni nyina na wo ye ni nyina ma what you say ama ho system na kasa no how we any relation we tie how we any we kasa how flow we workflow we ekura we dim how I kweye say ni nyina eboa that is that na wo ye na wo dey build the foundation fapim na system ne betena so no and na wo hye wo ho no so what you say I to say na wo si dan no architect no be draw plan na format no akeka ni mesi ani ti format architect na anye plan ni ya o ye dynasty so a be hardin so enti for architect na adwuma na wo ye wa asisi a no so what you say enti wa ye we nyina wie no wo see a logic of the system ni nyina no why ato fapio ni nyina wa hye ato na if wa hye ase e be implemented enti we call database no you derived your tables no database tables nyina from diagrams name flowcharts name we see na why ato nyina you can easily depict it into offer workflow ebia cashier na auton na ma no ni workflow no fa nema be na hwa obehia e wo honom to execute no why no sales into also be abenya sales table the sales table then you be register wo item no say generate invoice number I say nya invoice number item needing customer na auto no item no quantity no to unit price is saying total price is saying date no to any saying zane money no until that's those are the things that we will need then the information we be here on to register for the sales record no why is that you no never form tables no for the sales now why the same thing for the others so what you say to design in area what na wanya the correct docket for the system free now better over for language na the best or the Python near you or the PHP near you or the HTML name could be a language we are okay with it very easy for your clients to use then you now convert all these things to it has in database now you create database then you now come database structure should conform with the workflow now on the flowchart diagrams to offer way I will say flow through the same way offer will say flow through the same way I don't really we now for deployer a horn now better check will you under UAT better check RFP against the results. That is what the UAT captures. Now checking in off. Now where we edge one. So what I say. And with 8 steps in what we are outlining now there is no way who follows our principle we say obey system system any papa. And our system now obey we say it doesn't meet it's not serving the purpose and then the person boy bra in the intimate use there is no way you do that because we're involving our clients throughout so we system no involve our clients now it's like who bregu who behavior now kwanko use so what I say also who system now and yeah who now use system obi na ekọ use so what I say until be chrono man involve no who say yeah my contribution e can there no I don't know we know use at least or share memories with the thing I see me do and me can see your own and that she wants into only at the need that is the trick What I say, but I always say we a minima. Could use what there will be a new system no. What I say, 80 madam I say, with the BBC I see, so what I say, with the BBC now videos now can I also try to come up with another trick or another hack in a software engineering computer software development, you know. Then it goes on like that. Now I breaking them down. Now what team will be I say. Now boy my I must want to be a good engineers. Okay. But they'll be asking. Mamu and Fisa on subscribe to the channel. No? If you have any comments or if you have any topic you want me to also talk about, you can also put them within the so called comment section. Now my final my head video on it to break it down for you. What I say, I want all of you to be a better engineer and a good programmer and a good computer scientist. What I say, bye bye.